The average person has tried 4.3 different task management apps before settling on one. App switching itself wastes an estimated 2 weeks of productivity per year. Today, we end the search. Todoist works everywhere, every platform, every browser, every integration. Natural language input is best in class. Type submit report every Friday at 3 p.m. P1, and it parses perfectly. Best for GD practitioners and people who live in their inbox. TickTick includes a built-in Pomodoro timer, habit tracker, calendar view, and Eisenhower matrix, all in one app. It's the Swiss Army knife of task managers. Best for people who want everything in one app without third-party integrations. Things 3 is Apple only and charges a one-time fee instead of a subscription. The design is breathtakingly simple. Every interaction feels intentional. Best for Apple ecosystem users who value aesthetics and simplicity over feature count. Cross-platform power users, Todoist. All-in-one seekers, TickTick. Apple minimalists, Things 3. The best task manager is the one you actually use consistently. Pick one today and commit for 90 days before evaluating again. I've linked extended free trials for all 3 apps in the description. Try your match for 30 days and come back to let me know if the recommendation was right.